Hello, in front of me I've got CHUWI HiPad X. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to Settings, enter Display, and as you can see right here, we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change brightness level manually, enable or disable night light, change its intensity, enable or disable adaptive brightness, change wallpaper, enable or disable dark theme, change screen timeout between never and 30 minutes, enable or disable auto rotate screen, change font size, display size, and manage lock screen display. For example, you can select lock screen notifications between show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, and don't show notifications at all. You can add users from lock screen, add lock screen message, and show lockdown option. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.